Athena is the goddess of war and combat strategy, but also of wisdom, ability, science, and justice. She was one of the 12 main deities that inhabited Mount Olympus, and her name comes from the Greek Athena, which means divine intelligence or epic intelligence. It is said that his father was the same Zeus. To his first wife Metis, Aion prophesied that the children they had would be more powerful than their own father. When she became pregnant, the fearful decided to eat her. Still, did she gave birth on her fruit Athena was born from the front of Zeus himself with the help of Ephesus, the god of forging and metals, who gave him a blow with his axe. Her heart is denied to passion, so she had no husband or lover, and she was known as Athena the Virgin or Athena Parthenos, from where the name of the most famous temple dedicated to her image, the Parthenon of the Acropolis. Unlike other gods, she was always represented dressed in a long robe and the aegis on her chest. As a goddess of war and protector of heroes, she usually wears a helmet raised on her forehead to show her peaceful face. In one hand, a golden rod, with which he gives protection to his favorites, and in the other, a shield with the head of the Gorgona Medusa, a gift from the hero Perseus for helping him defeat it. She is usually accompanied by an owl, a bird that later became the symbol of philosophy. Other times carries a snake in her lap or at her feet, which gives rise to the myth by which she becomes the adoptive mother and protector of Erictonia, first king of Athens, born of Hephaestus and Gaia. One day he put in a small basket and entrusted it to three of his sisters. He did not tell them what it contained, but warned them not to open it until she returned. However, they couldn't not help it, and to their horror, they found the boy transformed into a snake. When Eratosthenes later became the founder of the capital of ancient Greece, Athena competed with the Poseidon for being protector of the city, which still had no name. Poseidon struck the ground with his trident, causing a saltwater spring to sprout, and Athena planted an olive tree. Zeus decided that the tree had appeared earlier, choosing Athena patron saint of the city that was named in his honor. Athena aided the prosperity of the state by fostering agriculture with the invention of the plow and the rake. She also taught men to tame beasts and to produce fire. And not only that, various inventions for science and the arts are attributed, such as numbers, navigation, swigging, and even some instruments such as the flute and trumpet. As protector of the city, kept it from foreign enemies, and did not even carry weapons, borrowed them from Zeus, and never uselessly sacrificed its soldiers, did not love battles, and only supported the battles that were presumed to be most favorable. She was also known for being a great advisor to many classical heroes, taught Heracles to skin a Nemean lion using his own claws to cut its thick fur, and also helped him kill the Hydra of Lerna. In the Trojan War, he was on the side of the Greeks, and during the conflict, he supported Ulysses to recover his wife Penelope and his kingdom. His myth has now helped science, technology, navigation, and can be found on the old $50 coins.